going on this morning, guys? We're heading to the mill. We gotta finish peeling those logs and get them rolled over there and get them cut. Time to mill some logs. So the first thing we need to do here, guys, is finish getting these peeled, and then we'll get them over there and cut them. Figured, what the heck, man? Let's shoot another YouTube video. So let's grab the camera, man. Say hi to you. Hey there, welcome to logfurnitureHowTo.com. My name is Mitchell Dillman. Ready to make a log? We're going to start with this one, get a little mantle out of it. So we got our mantle set up over here. We're going to start building our long pile for the kiln over here. And in the meantime, we just sold another mantle. Thank you, Tyler. We'll get over here and see what we've got. It's already kiln dried. Get started on this later today. We'll start with that one you were looking at yesterday afternoon while you were here. We'll pull it out, get a picture of it. Alright, the forklift we've got here. This is going to get kind of busy, guys. We're going to move these over to the mill along with those. Alright. Man, that one maxes out this mill, guys. Check this out. We're getting these big logs right over here on the mill. Alright, so we set these short ones here, and we got our full boat over here by the mill, man. We got our work cut out for us now, guys. Look at these big old logs up here on the deck. I think I'm ready for break. I just couldn't wait, guys. Look at this thing. Alright, guys, so we're rolling this one over by hand. We got our come along set up. It was just too big to roll with the hydraulics. Come back tomorrow, man, and we'll keep cutting on these things, man. Have a good night. Later. We gotta cut it before we can cut it.